Hello guys, my name is Prince and this is Math Center. Subscribe to my YouTube channel for more videos. Post your comments and questions on my social media handles and I'll respond to it. We are on the topic variation. In the previous video, we solved a question on joint variation. In this video, we are going to solve another question on joint variation. The question for this video is: the heat H produced by an electric current varies directly as the square of the applied voltage V and inversely as the resistance R of the wire. If a voltage of 540 volts is applied to a wire of resistance 40 ohms, the heat produced is 1458 joules. Find A, the expression between H, V, and R. B, the resistance that will produce 588 joules of heat when the applied voltage is 420 volts. We will solve the first part of the question in this video, then we will solve the second part in the next video. The question said that the heat H produced by an electric current varies directly as the square of the applied voltage and inversely as the resistance R of the wire. So the heat H varies directly as the square of the applied voltage V. That means that H varies directly as V squared. And at the same time, that heat H varies inversely as the resistance R of the wire. So H varies inversely as R. So for the first part, H varies directly as the square of V. So H is directly proportional to V squared. And for the second part, H varies inversely as R. So H is proportional to 1 divided by R. Since this is a joint variation, we are going to combine these two variations. So we will have H is proportional to V squared divided by R. And if we introduce the constant of proportionality, which in this case we are going to call K, H is equal to K times V squared divided by R, and H is equal to KV squared divided by R. The first part of the question said we should find an equation or expression connecting H, V, and R. So that means that we need to find the value of K. How do we do that? We were told in the question that a voltage of 540 volts applied to a wire of resistance 40 ohms produce 1458 joules of heat. That means that when the voltage is 540 and the resistance is 40, the heat produces 1458. Meaning that if V is equal to 540 and R is equal to 40, then H is equal to 1458. The expression we have is H is equal to KV squared divided by R. So it means that we can replace H with 1458, replace V with 450, and we replace R with 40. That will help us to find the value of K. So we have H, which is 1458, is equal to K times V is 540, so 540 squared divided by R, which is 40. So we are going to simplify this. 540 squared will give us 291600. So we have 1458 is equal to 291600K divided by 40. When we break this down further, you are going to have 7290K is equal to 1458. We divide both sides by 7290. So we divide the left hand side by 7290. We divide the right hand side by 7290. And K is equal to 0.2. So you see that immediately you get to this level, the rest is solving linear equation. So if you solve this linear equation, you are going to have k as 0.2. Now remember, this is the expression. H is equal to kv squared divided by r. So if k is 0.2, then we can say that h is equal to 0.2 v squared divided by r. This is the first part of the question. You have been able to find an expression connecting h, v, and r. We are going to solve the second part of the question in the next video. So see you in the next video, and let's continue solving this question. Bye bye.